So my boss wants me to teach her how to crop a photo. Okay, so I'm gonna teach her. So from here, you just need to, because she sent this over WhatsApp, I just need to save it and save here. See, save. Then once it's saved, go to photos. Then here you need to activate the edit or edit part feature. So just click here. You saw me clicking, right? Okay, so this one, click. Then from here you can choose live, adjust, filters, and crop. So she wants to crop some parts, so I crop there. It's crop. Then save. Done. Then after that, the other part, want to revert. So you save, right? I send this back to her. Boss. Okay, send. Then photo, go back to photo again. Then you can revert. So revert to the original photo, revert to original, then press this again to crop again, then go to this section. Okay, then done. Then send again to just to indicate. Okay, then go back again. Wait, go back to the photo, open it again, revert. Revert, need to click that portion, that feature. Okay, then part again, crop again, then set your cropping to wherever you want it to be. Sorry, so it's here. Then done. Then send again. Yeah, there you go.